Here's McGavick Pike by McGavick High School. Donaldson, you guys are getting hit right now, real significant. That's going to be rotating into Wilson County. So there's Percy Priest. If you live anywhere across Percy Priest, you're going to get this, but I want to show you downtown Nashville, out towards Bordeaux and Jolton. Storm's done. We're done. You can see on the west side of Nashville, Bordeaux and Jolton, significant weather. It's done. I want to take you down to the south because Williamson County is also a significant area that's getting hit hard. I want to show you the radar right here out towards Brentwood, Franklin. Okay, these are active severe thunderstorm warnings right now going through I-65. So Cool Springs area, Brentwood, you're getting it hit hard. If you live in Nolensville, Antioch, Smyrna, Laverne, all this, again, is headed your way. The reason why we're on air is because we've already had significant damage, unfortunately. Hopkinsville, Dixon, we're going to get more reports coming in, and as we get those, we'll relay those to you right here on News 2. And WKRN.com, our web team, our alert desk team, is doing a fantastic job getting you the information. And if you can, once the storm is done, take pictures safely, okay? Before I get to you, Mary, I just want to take you down towards Murray County, down towards Springfield Thompson Station. Looks like the signature on radar is weakening, which is great. However, on radar earlier, we did have 60 to 70 mile per hour winds coming through this area, and eventually that's going to head towards
extra caution when driving, especially operating high-profile vehicles. Secure outdoor
Thank you, and we're still continuing to give you guys a
National
look at
Weather
what
Service in
exactly is
Nashville
going
has
on
issued a
outside. We're
severe
definitely hearing
thunderstorm
about
warning
it
for
coming down
southeastern
here in
Davidson
Nashville
County
studios
in
in
Middle
Nashville. So let's
Tennessee,
check
northwestern
in
Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, eastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:21 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Nashville to Thompson Station, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Nashville, Smyrna, Brentwood, Laverne, Mount Juliet, Nolensville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Bellmead, Lakewood, Thompson Station, Hermitage, Rural Hill, Antioch, Melinda City, Berry Hill, and Percy Priest Lake. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 p.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:20 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Millersville to near Nashville, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour.
Thank you, and again, you're taking a
Hazard,
live
60
look
miles per hour wind
now. You
gusts.
can see
Source,
a lot
radar
of drops
indicated.
on the camera lens at
Impact,
this point.
expect
We're talking
damage
about
to
how
roofs,
much
siding, and
rain she
trees.
is seeing in that
Locations
area
impacted
throughout Nashville.
include
So we're going to
Gallatin,
send it
Madison,
over to
Hendersonville, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville,
to talk a little bit
Millersville,
more
Lakewood,
about what
Hermitage,
exactly
and
we're
Old
seeing on the
Hickory.
radar right now, Jared.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 p.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a
You
building.
can definitely see that we're just seeing some blowing and rain out through Nashville and Williamson County, out towards Rutherford County, a little out towards Smyrna and Antioch. This is all headed your way. Looks like we have an alert desk update. Do you want to take a look at that?
Some strong to a few severe thunderstorms will be
So we're
possible this
continuing
morning
to talk about the weather and the conditions and the impacts that this weather is having on our area. We're starting to hear about power outages. Right now there are thousands in the area. Alex Corday is joining me at the desk right now to talk more about what kind of impact this weather is having on our area.
Sure. So I've been on social media all day today, and I noticed that the Nashville Electric Service actually tweeted out that there are over 4,000 outages right now, and that lines all across the area of Nashville. So he said to be patient with them this time because there could be more outages due to the winds that happen throughout the morning. So they're just looking for a little patience and your support right now because we do want them to be safe as well.
Oh, goodness, we're seeing power outages just kind of all over the area. Definitely Henry County, Dixon as well, seeing power outages. So we just want you guys to be